Today in crypto. The Stellar Development Foundation has signed an agreement with the Ukrainian government to facilitate the creation of a digital asset ecosystem, including a framework for a central bank digital currency, or CBDC. Ukraine's Ministry of Digital Transformation announced Monday that it has entered into a memorandum of understanding with the Stellar Development Foundation. The MO outlines Ukraine's strategy for developing digital assets and CBDC infrastructure. This includes providing support to projects specializing in digital assets, implementing and regulating stablecoin circulation, and promoting the development of a CBDC. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. On January 4, Ether (ETH) price rallied to $1,160, which was followed by a 24% correction within the following 4 hours. What is clear is that investors are anxiously awaiting the CME's ETH futures launch, which is scheduled for February 8. Another factor driving the current rally is that Ether miners' balances reached a 2-year low, a scenario that some analysts view as bullish. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. It would be fair to admit that after 2020 and all it has put us through, making any predictions for the upcoming year is most likely to be a game of blindfold. Meanwhile, I am certain that humanity has much to learn from its past transgressions, and will move forward by correcting our mistakes and weaknesses. That's what we always do. Undoubtedly, the major driver of our development this year was the COVID-19 outbreak. The effects of the ongoing global pandemic on every aspect of our lives will form our future, and there are some tendencies we started last year that will most likely continue in 2021. COVID-19 has revealed the dire need for solutions in economic efficiency and transparency, and most urgently within the healthcare sector. Further deployments of blockchain solutions will strengthen healthcare systems, if not revolutionize them, by helping both medical practitioners and patients globally. Despite promises to preserve citizens' private data during the global pandemic in the name of public health, the blockchain-based solutions storing COVID-19 data have raised serious concerns, as they don't seem to be private at all. While the potential of such emerging technologies is promising, to balance privacy with the appropriate solutions should be a priority for those engaged in this industry. Brian B. Landorf, Executive Director at Hyperledger; Brian Brooks, Acting Controller of the Currency of the United States Treasury's Office of the Controller of the Currency; Charles Hoskinson, Founder and CEO of IAC; DeHonv, Founder of NEO, Founder and CEO of OnChain; Danelle Dixon, CEO and Executive Director of the Stellar Development Foundation; Elissa Shevinsky, former Head of Product at Brave, former Editor of Leanout; Amin Giansirer, CEO of Ava Labs, Professor at Cornell University, Co-Director of IC3; Heath Tarbert, Chairman and Chief Executive of the United States Commodity Futures Trading Commission; Irene Gao, Antminer Sales Director of the NCSA region at Bitmain; Jean-Marie Mognetti, CEO at CoinShares; Jimmy Song, Instructor at Programming Blockchain; Joseph Lubin, Co-Founder of Ethereum, Founder of Consensus; Mance Harmon, Co-Founder and CEO of Hedera Hashgraph and Swirls Incorporated; Matthew Yarger, Head of Mobility and Automotive at the IOTA Foundation; Mike Belsch, CEO at BitGo; Paul Brody, Principal and Global Innovation Leader of Blockchain Technology at Ernst & Young; Roger Ver, Executive Chairman at Bitcoin.com; Samson Moe, Chief Strategy Officer at Blockstream; Scott Freeman, Co-Founder and Partner at JST Capital; Vinny Linham, CEO at Civic. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Twitter analytics data indicates that as Bitcoin continues to post all-time highs well into the $30,000s, social media interest in the digital currency is likewise setting new records across numerous key metrics. In a tweet Saturday night, the official handle for the TAI, a cryptocurrency data firm, showed that the number of unique Twitter handles tweeting about Bitcoin has hit a new all-time high, eclipsing the 64,000 mark last seen during the peak of the 2017 bull run. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.